Tired of scrambling to put dinner on the table after a long day? Imagine coming home to the mouth-watering aroma of a perfectly cooked roast, tender pulled pork, or a hearty stew without slaving over the stove. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is the secret weapon busy home cooks swear by. With its huge 7-quart capacity, set-it-and-forget-it convenience, and dishwasher-safe design, this slow cooker takes the stress out of meal prep. Whether you're feeding a hungry family, meal prepping for the week, or hosting a crowd, this stainless steel powerhouse delivers restaurant-worthy meals with minimal effort. Plus, its versatile stoneware insert goes from slow cooker to oven to microwave, making it a true kitchen multitasker. Want to know if it lives up to the hype? Let's dive into why over 36,000 reviewers give it a 4.6-star rating and why it might just become your most used kitchen appliance. Key features of the Crock-Pot 7-quart slow cooker. Spacious 7-quart capacity. One of the biggest advantages of this slow cooker is its generous 7-quart capacity, making it ideal for large families, serves 9+ people, meal preppers who want to cook in bulk, entertaining guests, perfect for potlucks and gatherings, cooking large cuts of meat, fits a 7-pound roast comfortably. Whether you're making soups, stews, chili, pulled pork, or even desserts, this slow cooker provides ample space without overcrowding. Simple and versatile cooking settings. This model features 3 manual control settings. Low, ideal for slow cooking over several hours, great for tenderizing meats. High, cooks food faster while still maintaining flavor. Warm, keeps food at the perfect serving temperature without overcooking. The set-it-and-forget-it functionality allows you to start cooking in the morning and come home to a fully prepared meal, perfect for busy professionals and parents. Easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe components. Nobody enjoys scrubbing pots and pans after a long day. Fortunately, this crock-pot makes cleanup effortless. Removable stoneware insert is dishwasher-safe. Glass lid is also dishwasher-safe. One-pot cooking means fewer dishes to wash. Additionally, the stoneware insert is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for versatile cooking methods beyond slow cooking. Durable and stylish stainless steel design. Unlike plastic slow cookers that can wear out over time, this model features a stainless steel exterior with black accents, giving it a sleek and modern look that fits well in any kitchen. The oval shape is more practical than round models, as it accommodates larger cuts of meat and rectangular dishes like lasagna more efficiently. Energy-efficient and cost-effective cooking. At 210 watts, this slow cooker uses minimal electricity compared to an oven or stovetop, making it an eco-friendly and budget-friendly option for preparing meals. It's also a healthier alternative to fast food or processed meals, as it retains nutrients better than high-heat cooking methods. Performance and cooking experience. How well does it cook? The Crock-Pot 7-quart slow cooker excels in delivering even, consistent heat distribution, ensuring that food cooks thoroughly without burning. Some highlights. Meat comes out tender and juicy, perfect for pulled pork, ribs, and roasts. Soups and stews develop deep, rich flavors. Grains and beans cook evenly without sticking. Desserts like cobblers and bread puddings turn out perfectly moist. User-friendly operation. Since this is a manual slow cooker, there are no complicated digital controls, just a simple dial for low, high, and warm settings. While some may prefer programmable models with timers, the simplicity of this design makes it reliable and easy to use, especially for beginners. Portability and handling. Weighing 12.6 pounds, this slow cooker is sturdy but not overly heavy. The side handles stay cool to the touch, making it easy to transport from countertop to table. The glass lid allows you to check on food without lifting it, which helps retain heat and moisture. Pros and cons. Pros: large 7-quart capacity, great for big families and meal prep. Simple, reliable manual controls, no complicated programming needed. Dishwasher-safe stoneware and lid, easy cleanup. Oven-safe insert up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, adds versatility. stainless steel design, durable and stylish. Energy efficient, uses less electricity than an oven. Cons: no timer or auto shutoff, requires manual monitoring for precise cooking times. Heavy when full, can be cumbersome to move. Basic design, lacks advanced features like digital programming. Who is this slow cooker best for? Large families needing big batch meals. Meal preppers who cook in bulk. Busy professionals who want ready-to-eat dinners. Entertainers hosting parties or potlucks. Beginners looking for a simple, no-fuss slow cooker. Final verdict: is the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker worth it? With over 36,000 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker SVC 700-S is a top-rated, reliable kitchen appliance that delivers on convenience, performance, and durability. While it lacks some advanced features like a digital timer, its simplicity, large capacity, and ease of cleanup make it an excellent choice for home cooks who prioritize functionality over high-tech extras. Rating 4.6. Highly recommended for anyone needing a dependable, spacious slow cooker for everyday meals and entertaining. Where to buy? You can purchase the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker on Amazon here. Have you tried this slow cooker? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.